Welcome to the Mindful Moment of Peace meditation. In the next 5 minutes, we will embark on a journey to find tranquility and stillness in our busy lives. Whether you are amid a hectic schedule, feeling overwhelmed, or simply seeking a brief respite, this meditation is designed to help you discover a moment of calm and clarity. As you prepare to enter this peaceful experience, find a quiet space where you can sit undisturbed. Let's begin this serene journey together. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Sit in a chair or on the floor with your back straight but not rigid, feet flat on the ground, and hands resting gently in your lap or on your thighs. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale gently through your mouth, feeling a sense of release. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present and grounded in this moment. Now turn your attention to your breath, observing its natural flow without trying to change it. Feel the air entering your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, and the gentle expansion of your abdomen. With every inhale, imagine drawing in peace and serenity. With every exhale, envision releasing stress, worries, and tension. Let your breath be a steady and comforting presence, anchoring you in the present moment. Gradually shift your focus to a body scan, starting at the top of your head and moving slowly down to your toes. As you concentrate on each part of your body, consciously release any tension or discomfort you detect. Soften your forehead, relax your eyes, and let your jaw loosen. Let go of tightness in your neck, shoulders, and back. Feel the relaxation flowing through your arms, all the way to your fingertips, and down through your torso, hips, legs, and feet. With each breath, deepen your sense of relaxation and ease. In this relaxed state, picture a serene and beautiful place where you feel completely at peace. This might be a lush garden, a tranquil beach, or a cozy mountain cabin. Visualize yourself in this idyllic setting, immersed in its soothing sights, sounds, and scents. Breathe in the calmness of this place, allowing it to fill your mind and body with a sense of profound tranquility. As you bask in this peaceful visualization, softly repeat to yourself, "In this moment, I am calm. In this moment, I am at peace." Embrace these words, letting them echo through your being, instilling a deep sense of calm and serenity within you. As our meditation draws to a close, take a deep, rejuvenating breath and gently start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Slowly open your eyes, feeling renewed and centered. Carry the tranquility and clarity you've cultivated in this mindful moment of peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for allowing yourself this time to pause and reconnect with inner peace.